After letting it doors. Today we're doing another unboxing video. This time, I went to my local Scheels sporting goods and I bought me 1, 2 crankbaits, some Ned hooks, some Ned worms. I did get a few other things, but those are classified. And no, they're nothing illegal, they're literally lures. But, classified. Well, we're going to start with the lip bait. For $4, I bought me a Bomber Square A. These things normally, I believe, run around about $6. Shows you, if you look, just how cheap you can find them. And in my favorite color of all time, currently, baby bass. This one imitates more of a spot with the vertical slashes instead of the largemouth with just a smooth horizontal for the most part. The yellow, I don't know, or orange, that was a little unnecessary, but you know what? Let's just take it out of the package. I think this one's it's either 1/4 or 3/8 ounce, size 8 or size 6 hooks. There you go. Camera. Bomber seriously goes in with their packaging. Take that back. Ooh, those hooks are nice. Not sticky sharp. Nice, beautiful bait. I don't know what action it has. Is it silent? Don't know how well y'all can hear that, but there's like a couple of BBs in there. Paint scratches on the bait from packaging, handling, this and that. Oh well. It's got a coffin bill lip. Come on, get in the camera. Coffin lip stamped with Bomber. 2 googly eyes. Some nice sharp hooks. Yeah, I think these are size 8s. I got the smaller one. This is 1/4 ounce. Because I own size 6s, and they're not this small. But yeah. That is the Bomber Square 1. Baby bass. Next, y'all knowing me, I love house brand stuff. And also for $4, I bought a Scheels Fat Eye Rattle Bait 50 in gold. Does it say on the back what color this is? Gold chrome shad. See? And it also teaches you how to tune a crankbait, which I've already known. So, thanks for the help, though, Scheels. Let's get this bait out of the package. I've not ever owned much Scheels, but this bait should not be a disappointment. Trash that. That's good. That's trash. Oh, this is like some of their other stuff. I think these have Gamakatsu hooks. It's a little bit. Oh my goodness, are those hooks sticky sharp. Oh my. This bait is a huge advancement from the Bass Pro stuff I've been throwing. Action-wise, I have no clue. Never owned one. But first impressions, this bait's like one of the better liplesses I've owned. And I got Rattle Trap, Cotton Cordell, Bass Pro, had Strike King that stuck in the side of a carp. That's a story for another time. I got some Rapalas. This bait is the same price as the Bass Pro, more than the Cotton Cordells, and it's my It's got better hooks than my Rapalas. That is ridiculous. Rapala, you're letting me down. You're still not my favorite, but you're letting me down here. Go away. One moment. Alright guys, we're back. Sorry, sibling issues. But I bought me some Scheels Outfitters Tournament Fishing Series made with Yamagatsu hooks. This is the 3/16 EWG Shorty Head Green Pumpkin. As you can see, it looks like, oh, what did Debo say they were? I don't remember. I was watching one of his unboxings one day, and he was talking about these EWG style Ned heads. And I figured, well, I only got a 1/10, or is it 1/10 or is it heavier? I think it's 1/8. Yeah, it's 1/8 head. It's the only one I got. These are 3/16. No, the other one's not 1/8. That's the one I lost. You know, I don't know. I don't know anymore. These are definitely lighter. I think this is tungsten too. This is definitely. Hang on, be right back. Alright guys. Yeah, these Scheels ones are heavier. So I do have 1/8. What was that one before? I don't know. It's stuck in a tree somewhere. These little EWG Ned heads gives you a perfect weedless Ned. These are made with Yamagatsu hooks, these ones. Very, very nice. I love this hook. I love this bait, or the thing now already. And, come on camera, focus. The camera doesn't want to focus. There we go, there we go. And to go with them, I bought some green pumpkin. Hang on a minute. Some Scheels Outfitters. This isn't their tournament fishing series, soft plastics. This is just their regular Scheels Outfitters. Green. Caught you that. Watermelon red flake, which is a good color. 4-inch finesse stick. 10-pack. $3. The other, everything else here I bought was for $4. I only spent like $20. It was nice. Yeah, your little 4-inch finesse stick. Wacky rigs. I can see heavy weighted drop shot. That'd be cool. A heavy drop shot with these, or even just a light one with them wacky rigged in the middle. I can see that coming. I'm sorry guys, I did not mean to keep bumping the camera. You're at perfect elbow height. It's annoying. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all what I meant by wacky, or not wacky, EWG Ned. See, you barely, I'm not even past the shank, or past the barb, just barely in. It went too deep, barely. Pull it out. Slide it up the shank. Rotate. Push it up to where it's snug with the head. Just like that. And then you go down here. You line it up. Push it through. Flip it up. You have a streamlined Ned bait. I bought the 4-inch finesse stick's a little over the top. I think a 3-inch finesse stick would do better. But then again, it's gonna sit like that in the water. Pretend that's the bottom. My finger's the bottom. Gonna sit like that, look like a feeding fish. around my part of the country. Don't know what it is for the rest of y'all. But it's like the bass are in that weird pre-spawn, spawn, fry guarding, post-spawn period where it's like they can't really figure out what they're doing. But I've seen some bass splashing around spawning, or they're small carp. I don't know. Don't really care. Ooh, that's cool. The hook's painted too. No, never mind. Not all the hook. Just where the paint accidentally hit it. Yeah, little finesse stuff. Let me know if y'all want me to do a review of any of this, because I will right now literally love to do one. I just don't know which one to do. Hey, y'all, let me know if you guys want me to review any baits, because I don't do much review stuff at all. Actually, I don't do any. I just use it over time and give my honest opinion about it. But yeah, there you go. You have it. The Bomber Square A in Baby Bass. The Scheels Fat Eye Rattleshad 50 in Gold Chrome. The Scheels Tournament Fishing Series. No, never mind. Take it back. Don't listen to me. Scheels Tournament Fishing Series. EWD Neds in Green Pumpkin. And then the 4-inch finesse stick in Watermelon Red Flake. Still getting used to this, guys. But anyway, thanks for watching. See y'all later. Click subscribe.
Hello.
I don't like asking people to subscribe, but please just subscribe. It helps the channel. I'm almost at 20. Just subscribe. Get me to 50, please. 50, and I'll do something special. I don't know what, but I'll do something. Anyway, see y'all next time, and hopefully I don't knock over my camera doing this.